Dear students, irrespective of what is your level of preparation in ethics, are you a student who just started reading ethics? Or are you somebody who have written the mains and want to improve your marks this year? Or are you somebody who is looking for 2024 or later attempts? The objective of this session is one thing, to provide you with an actionable blueprint which you follow. It is sure that you will get a very high marks in ethics. Let's get started. When we start thinking what should be the approach to ethics, it really perplexes us. We see a lot many students who, after putting lot of efforts, consistent effort over the years, still not coming at a high marks, getting stuck or saturated at some 80s, 90s. They're not able to come out of this. Well, there is another category of students who, compared to optional and other GS papers, put minimal efforts and come up with very high marks in ethics, well, like 130s or 140s. Why is the difference? What exactly is differentiating these two students? Or if you are going to give an attempt in 2023, what exactly you can get a takeaway from those students who have scored very high marks in ethics? It is the quest for all these questions that led us to frame these all answers, these two 5-step strategy to master ethics. Let's try to understand each one of it. First one is master the syllabus and decode ethics. It is not just a thing. Whatever subject you are studying, first thing you have to know is you should clearly know each and every term that is given in the syllabus. And not just knowing the syllabus is it. You should know exactly what is the level of questions is being asked. Are the question direct coming, or are the question more of an application level, or are the question interdisciplinary type of question, interlinkage type of question is coming? What exactly is the depth required in each part of the syllabus? This you should be understanding. From Kalam IAS, we have this ethics master sheet for this. You can download it from our website. What we do in ethics master sheet is last 10 years current affairs. We have divided the whole ethics syllabus logically under 3 heads. That is the fundamentals and personal ethics. That is the first part. Secondly, we have ethics in administration. And the third part, applied ethics. So whole ethics syllabus and last 10 years PYQs are divided into three heads. And here you have subsections. Now what you have done is we have divided the paper into 2 sections. Suppose you have taken the heading determinants of ethics. On the right side, you will be finding list of all questions that is came from this syllabus. On the right side, you find a set of questions. If you want to study or learn this XYZ topic, you at least need to study all the question that is given on the left side. This is not PYQs, this is a new set of questions. On every topic this is given. Basic dimensions you should be studying under each syllabus head. So you can explore this document, is freely available in our website. Go and check it out. The second most important action point, that is crystallize your understanding of each syllabus topic. There are 2 aspects I mean by this. First aspect is you should have very clear understanding what each and every word of the syllabus is. Even in sleep, if I ask you, what is the difference between integrity and honesty? Or what is the difference between integrity and probity? You should be able to clearly define this. What is the difference between responsibility and accountability? Should be clear with the concepts. That is the first thing. Secondly, understanding concept is not enough. How you are going to apply this? On every syllabus head, you should have a thinking framework. What is the thought process you can apply in this syllabus? We have discussed so many thought process, so many frameworks which you can apply under each head in our ethics mark improvement classes. You can check out the first class in our YouTube, which is uploaded in the YouTube. Let's move ahead. This is something which every student does, or any XYZ market or material or course you explore in the market, you will get up to this much. That is, there will be understanding of the syllabus, there will be some dimension given under every syllabus. And I urge you, if this is your approach to prelims, you follow XYZ, best material in the market or best course in the market. You follow this material, and whatever you have studied, you are trying to replicate in the exam. If this is your strategy for ethics, 100% I say it is very minimal chance you will score above this average marks of 80s or 90s. There is no chance you can score very high in ethics. You want to clutch out of these limitations and score very high marks, you should add a dash of uniqueness into your content. What exactly I mean by this? Your ethics answer should be unique compared to all the 10,000 other people who have written the paper. And this will not come if you study the best ethics course in the market. This only comes if you yourself put some effort into it. You have to include your life experiences into the paper at some point. You have to include the movies you watch. You have to include the TV shows you watch. You might have to include the books you read, the fiction books you read, the non-fiction books you read, the poetry you like, the personalities you like, admire. Every these aspects you should consciously try to bring into your answer copy. How you can bring into your answer copy? As a part of our ethics marks improvement class, so we provide you with an ethics workbook. Or you can use your own notes also. It's not that you should use our own workbook only. The point is the workbook, you have divided the page into two parts. In one part, we will provide you with the basic content. That is the definitions, that is the basic arguments, what is the thought process you can apply, all this will be provided. But in the right side, which will be totally blank, here you have to add your own content. What is your life experiences you try to incorporate under this syllabus head? What is the movies, personalities you try to incorporate under this syllabus head? This is something you should exercise, you should continuously do till September or till mains, and I'm pretty sure you have a very good content. Similarly, one more thing you have to add this is learn ethics early and keep an ethical mindset while you are reading anything, whether you are reading newspaper or you are reading history or polity or ethics or optional. Anything you are reading from now on, keep an ethical angle to it. Keep some ethical theories, try to apply it. What exactly is the ethical dimension of these topics? Try to bring out this element and try to relate it with some part of the syllabus. This is something you compulsorily do. Let's move ahead. After this, or doing all this, the major part is structure your answer and brainstorming techniques. Why this is important is today's you have seen so many questions, like quotation, number of quotation based questions are increasing. Suppose you got a question last year, like something like this. Yeah, you have this 2022 question. Ethics is knowing the difference between what things you have the right to do and what is the right thing to do. So how, if you get a quotation like this, how you are going to open different arguments over this? How you are going to apply this into your personal aspects or administrative aspects or other walks of life? How you are going to connect? What are arguments you can open in each and every quotation? This is something you need to explore clearly. Structure your answer and brainstorm. So this requires a lot of practice. This requires you have to write the answers and you have to reflect whatever content you have learned into your answers. Moving ahead, there is one more challenge. Whatever we have learned so far, answering in 3 hours, sitting there and writing 6 case studies and 13 section A questions is always going to be a challenge. You have to do that. That requires a lot of practice. And here we have this ethics test series. And ethics test series, there is one thing very unique about our test series is we provide you with face-to-face sessions. That means instead of checking your copy by XYZ copy checker and give you 100 comments on a paper, we won't do that. We will sit with your copy and I myself evaluate each and every of your copy. We will have an open discussion what exactly better introduction can be, what exactly better conclusion can be, what is the pattern of mistake you are repeating, where exactly you are lacking. Are you lacking on conceptual clarity, or are you lacking on reproducing what you know in the answer, or are you lacking on application level? So this will identify and will give you 3 or 4 actionable points. This is the XYZ points you should study before next exam and apply this in the next test and come back to us. So I'm same person will be checking your next copy also. So organically we can see your progress, what XYZ progress or non-progress or mistake what you are committing throughout this next 3 months. So this is about our test series. So this leave it about our programs, but evidently this is the first step, 5 steps you must follow in preparing ethics. And if you consciously follow this from this time till August or September, pretty sure you will be in a very better position compared to last year or the last time you have given this exam. Let's move ahead. This is the more details of our program. We have 2 mains program, ethics marks improvisation classes. Here you will get 20 hours of recorded sessions. By end of June, by 20th or June, you will be getting all these recorded lectures ready. The first session is already uploaded in the video. You can check it out. It is an application level class. Our major focus will be to give you how ideas on how to open the arguments, how should be the mental framework, how we can connect XYZ movies into answers. This would be our primary objective of this class. Secondly, we have this ethics test series. I already told you we have 6 full tests and 1 open test for this. Similarly, if you are looking for a complete GS program, you have this reverse learning program starting from Monday, 5th of June. You can check out in the YouTube and our website more details of these classes. That's all for now. Thank you so much.